Hi guys, welcome to this week's handwriting video. So we're going to do a little bit of mixture. This is really aimed at those children who are in my phonics group. Well, I say the words are. The actual handwriting practice is aimed at all of you, but the words, we're going to go through four tricky words that I've picked out from phonics for this week, and then we're going to go through sounds, and then we're going to put those sounds into words. Okay, so we're going to start with four tricky words that I think come up quite a lot, but still people are finding it difficult to spell them. So we're going to start with the word there. Now remember, for handwriting we start all of our letters on the bottom blue line and we try to join them all together. If you can't join them all together, you should be joining your sounds now, your digraphs and your trigraphs. Okay, so for example, our first word is going to be there. So we go, I don't want to write in red, I want to write in black. Okay, so we start on the bottom blue line, we go all the way up to the top for the T, all the way back down, then up for the H, and all the way back down. Then the hump, and then the E, R, so the roller coaster for the A. So for the R, you go up, down, and then round, and then down a little bit for the E. Okay, and only then do you cross the T. So one more time, T, H, E, R, E, like that, and then cross the T. Okay, so that's the first one. Were is the next one. So W, we start on the bottom, we go up to there, we go U, and then up and then down and up again. So it joins at the top. We then go back down a little bit for the E. For the R, we go up, down, up and round, and then into the E again. Okay, W, E, R, E, and again, W, up, down, up, into the E, R, across, and then into the E again. So we've got there, we've got were. If there's an H, it makes an air sound. If there's no H, it makes an sound. Okay, so for example, where would be WH. Next one we're going to do is because, longer word. Same, we had this last week as well, so B, into the roller coaster for the E. For the C, we go up, stop, and go back round again. Then the A, we do the same thing, but we go all the way round. Up for the U, down and up again, and then down. And then the S, we go up to the top blue line, and then we snake our way back down. Then we go into the E, which is the roller coaster. Okay, and again, for B, E, C, A, U, S, E, like so. Okay, now another word that keeps coming up that's in our English that's not quite spelled correctly is the word said. Okay, so said, we start on the blue line, we go up, and then we snake our way back down. The E part of said is AI, so we go up. So if we're doing the curly cat and all the way around, down, up, down, and then into the D, so which is again a bit like the curly cat, but we go all the way up this time. Down, only when we got to the end do we dot the I. So again, S, A, I, D, dot the I. Okay, right, now we're going to have a practice of our E sounds for this week. So we should be joining these now in our English, in our phonics, in our handwriting, everything. So we're going to do EE to start with. So we're going to go down, straight into the roller coaster, and then again, E. Okay, and I want you to do a whole row of these with a finger space in between. So we're going to go E. So please do not do this. Okay, you should be getting to the point now where you should be adjoining them. So we're starting on that bottom line and you go straight in. E, 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 and so on. Okay, all the way along. Now we're going to do EA. So we're going to go E, and then up, and round, and down. Okay, so we do the roller coaster E to start, and as we go up, we go as if we're doing the curly cur. We go all the way around and down, and I'm going to do one more, but you're going to do a whole row. Okay, so pause the video now. So you should have a row of E's and a row of EA. Okay, good. Right, I'm going to have to go back up to the top because I've run out of space. So I'm going to rub this one out, rub this one out, and rub this one out. Okay, now the only other E sound, in fact we've got two more E sounds where it's a digraph. Okay, so we've got the IE that you've done this week. So we're doing up to the I, straight back down again, and into the roller coaster for the E. Okay, up, down, roller coaster E, dot, and one more, up, down, roller coaster E, dot. I want you to do a whole row of those. Okay, so pause the video now and do a whole row if you want to. Right, now you've done a whole row of I's. The only other one, which is a digraph, is the EY. Okay, so again, we're starting on the bottom. We're going straight into the roller coaster. Now we go up, down and round and back up again as if we're doing a U, but this time we go all the way down to the red line, back round, and we cross over where we hit the blue line. And again, E, down, cross over. One more. E, up, down, up, all the way down, cross over. Okay, so all of these make the E sound. Yes, we had the split digraph. Yes, we had the Y by itself, but they're not digraphs, so I haven't included them. Okay, right, now we're going to pick one word from each of those, with each of those sounds in. So again, I'm going to rub these out. Okay, and the first word we're going to write is the word tree. So we start on the bottom blue line, we're going to go up, down, up again and down, round for the E, slightly down so we can do the roller coaster, and then into the next part of the E as well. And then dot the I, or not dot the I, cross the T. Right, I'm going to do 3 of these, but I want you to do a whole row. So up, down, up to there, into the and the and then again T, up, into the E and the E again. So we've got tree. Okay. For the E sound, okay, we're going to pick something. We're going to do we're going to do peach. Okay, we're going to write the word peach. So peach starts with the P, which is a low letter. So again, P shouldn't be up here. It's got to go below that blue line, below the line in your book. Okay, imagine that's the line in your book, your English book or your phonics book. It's got to go below there. So we go up to here, all the way down, back round, and then the hump. It joins at the bottom here. It does not join down here. It joins here. So then we go into the roller coaster for the E, then the A, then the C, curly K, and then the H goes all the way up to the top, all the way back down again, and then the hump. Okay, a little bit quicker. P, E, A, C, H, and then one more time. P, E, A, C, H. Oh, that's a horrible H. Goodness gracious me. Right then, so now we're looking for our IE word. Okay, and I want you to spell chief. Okay, as in like an Indian, like a Native American chief or like a warrior chief. So it's C, starting on that bottom blue line, we do the C, all the way up for the H and round, then the I, up and down, then the E, roller coaster. Now the F, tricky one, the F. So we go up, back down on itself, and straight down. Hit the red line, go back on itself as if we were doing the Y from earlier on, and cross over there. So it crosses over twice on both the blue lines, and then you dot the I. So C, H, I, E, F, like that. If you're really struggling with that F, you can do it this way. So we go C, H, that's not a very good H, I, E, you can, and then just do this. That would be fine as well. Okay, try this way, but if you really struggle with the F, do it that way. Okay, and then the last word I want you to spell has the EY, and we're going to spell monkey. Now monkey's a funny word because when you've got the EY and there's an O in it, it makes an sound, like honey or money. Here we've got monkey, so it's M, up, down, and round into the O, which goes up here, as if we were doing the curly curve. The O joins at the top, so we go straight over, straight down and round, up to the K. So the K is all the way up to the top, all the way back down again, and a little circle here, and then a little flick downwards into the roller coaster for the E, up, up again, down, all the way down to there. Okay, so the K, the round part and the little flick at the bottom need to be in between the blue lines. Let's try that again a bit quicker. M, O, N, K, E, and Y. And then one final time. M, O, N, K, E, Y. And that is your handwriting for this week. Okay, well done everybody. See you after half term for more handwriting practice.